Good morning, it's Thursday, April the 23rd, and you're watching Chinese Small Cap TV here exclusively every day on ChinaSecurities.com. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Chinese Small Cap TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases out of the Chinese small cap sector in the AM so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got a great show lined up for you this morning. I've got two great press releases to report on. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes from a company called AsiaInfo Holdings. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol ASIA, very appropriate. They are a provider of telecom software solutions and IT security products and services in China. So now we've got some highlights coming from the company. Net revenue for the first quarter of 2009 was $48 million, which represents an increase of 55% year over year. Gross margin was 54%, up 3% over the year ago. And finally, net income was $5.8 million or 13 cents per basic share compared to $5.3 million or 10 cents per basic share a year ago. As of March 31st, 2009, AsiaInfo had cash and equivalents and restricted cash totaling $186 million in short-term investments totaling $30 million. A little bit about the company. They're a leading provider of high-quality software and customer solutions to many of China's largest enterprises. They're last at $17.63. Their high is $18.63, low of $6.74, and the market cap of approximately $766 million. Now, moving on to our next company, China Yongxin Pharmaceuticals. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol CYXN. They're a manufacturer, distributor, and retailer of pharmaceuticals in northeastern China. The company is announcing annual 2008 financial results for the year ended December 31st, 2008. Highlights include revenues, which increased 23.5% to $59 million. Gross profit margin improved to 20%. Net income increased 13.7% to $4.1 million. And finally, cash flow from operations was $5.9 million. A little bit about the company. They're one of the fastest growing pharmaceutical companies in China through its retail chain of 93 drug outlets, as well as wholesale distribution and manufacturing in northeastern China. Company's last at 14 cents, 52-week high of $1.53, low of 5 cents on a market cap of approximately $4.4 million. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for tuning in to ChinaSecurities.com. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.